Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about some key points from a book which was written by Barack Obama. He is an American politician and attorney who served as the 44th President of the United States from 2009 to 2017. A member of the Democratic Party, Obama was the first African American president of the United States. Is a promised land. Barack Obama launched his book on 17 November 2020. On first day, almost 80 lakh 90,000 copies of his book sold out. So these are the some key points from a book we are reading out. At dinner that night, Sonia Gandhi listened more than she spoke, careful to defer to Singh when policy matters came up, and often steered the conversation towards her son. It became clear to me, though, that her power was attributable to a shrewd and forceful intelligence. As for Rahul, he seemed smart and earnest. His good looks resembled his mother's. He offered up his thoughts on the future of progressive politics, occasionally pausing to probe me on the details of my 2008 campaign. But there was a nervous, unformed quality about him, as if he were a student who had done the coursework and was eager to impress the teacher, but deep down lacked either the aptitude or the passion to master the subject. As it was getting late, I noticed Singh fighting off sleep, lifting his glass every so often to wake himself up with a sip of water. I signaled to Michelle that it was time to say our goodbyes. The Prime Minister and his wife walked us to our car. In the dim light, he looked frail, older than his 78 years. And as we drove off, I wondered what would happen when he left office. Would the baton be successfully passed to Rahul, fulfilling the destiny laid out by his mother and preserving the Congress party's dominance over the divisive nationalism tutored by the BJP? Somehow I was doubtful it wasn't Singh's fault. He had done his part following the playbook of liberal democracies across the post Cold War world, upholding the constitutional order, tending to the quotidian, often technical work of boosting the GDP and expanding the social safety net. Like me, he had come to believe that this was all any of us could expect from democracy, especially in big, multi ethnic, multi religious societies like India and the United States. Not revolutionary leaps or major cultural overhauls, not a fix for every social pathology or lasting answers. For those in search of purpose and meaning in their lives, just observance of roles that allowed us to sort out or at least tolerate our differences, and government policies that raised living standards and improved education enough to temper humanity's baser impulses. In a book by Barack Obama, are making headlines in the country. A petition has been filed by Pratapgarh-based lawyer Gnan Prakash Shukla in the Lalganji Civil Court seeking registration of an FIR against the former US President here on Thursday. Shukla, a Congress supporter, petitioned the court over what he termed insult to former Congress Chief Rahul Gandhi and ex-PM Manmohan Singh in the book The Promised Land written by Obama. The court has posted the hearing over the maintainability of heir apparent. In the petition, the petitioner, who claims to be national president of All India Rural Bar Association, has demanded that an FIR be lodged, as the book insulted the leaders and hurt the sentiments of their followers. The petitioner called Obama's reference to the Manmohan Singh and Rahul Gandhi in his book humiliating video.